Is your Windows 11 or Windows 10 showing 100% disk usage, slowing down your system? No worries, we have got a quick and easy fix for you. In this video, we will walk you through step by step to troubleshoot and resolve the 100% disk usage issue on your PC. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to a smoother computing experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. To fix 100% disk usage in Windows 11 or 10, Step 1. Use Task Manager to identify and close high disk usage processes. Step 2. Scan for malware with Windows Defender or a reliable antivirus program. Step 3. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Step 4. Update device drivers, especially storage and graphics drivers. Step 5. Adjust virtual memory settings. Step 6. Temporarily disable Windows Search Service. Step 7. Check for system file corruption using command prompt. Run sfc/scannow and dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Step 8. Disable superfetch and prefetch in the registry editor. Step 9. Upgrade hardware or replace the hard drive if the problem persists.